Do is remove the negative battery cable from the battery, and now the sound amplifier is right down here below the glove box, right over here. Now let's remove this panel underneath here. Jeez, those old-fashioned push pins. Alright, got it. It's right over here. There it is. Now, next thing I'm going to do is to remove the glove box here. So we can see things a little better. Next thing we need to do is slide this connector out of the way. And now you'll see two 10mm headed bolts. Now if we come over here to the front, we'll see another one right there. So we're going to remove those three right now. Now before we remove the amp, we're going to remove these electrical connections from the unit. There are little tabs right there you can see. Just press those and pull the wires out. There's one. And there's the other one. Come on. It's shoehorned in there. And I'm caught on the wires. What's all these wires doing underneath here? Oh, jeez. Oh, boy. Was it worth it? I don't know. Okay, there it is. All right. You know what would have been a lot easier? Is if the bracket stayed up there and this just unclipped from it. It's these little ears on the bracket. They fit in little windows up there, and you gotta, before you take it out, it's gotta be just right. It just gets caught up there, and if you don't know that's like that, gives you problems. Let me show you the little windows. See that right below the bolt hole right there? That little piece on the bracket's got to come right out there. So that's all there is to removing a radio sound amplifier from your Chrysler Sebring.